Hello, today we are going to see the fourth lesson of Sustainable Development Goals, Nasreddin Hoca Academy. We are going to see the 14th and 15th goals, and we are going to see the country status, and we are going to see that what we need to do to complete this goal. Let's start with this 14th goal, life below water. This goal works to conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources. It addresses marine pollution, overfishing, and ocean acidification to protect marine ecosystems. Water, it's the most important thing for the human life. We need to drink water every day to live, and as you know, we have 70% of world is water, but very low percent of water we can drink. Other water we cannot drink, but it doesn't mean that the other part of the water it's unimportant. It's very important too, because we have in this water we have ecosystem. In ecosystem we can making foods, in fishman's making economy, making better economy, and it's in for the ecosystem and for the world's health. It's very important, and this goals is purpose of this goal to protect the life below water. Uh, let's look at this datas. As you can see, many countries cannot give information because they have no sea parts in their country. But yes, okay, we can continue. And as you can see, none of one country paying attention to the seas and life below underwater. If this what we can say, if this is going to like that, world will be finished, we can say. It's very important, yes. And we are looking Turkey. They have a Black Sea, this side and this side, White Sea, and it's very rich for having sea parts, and we cannot making a good thing for seas, unfortunately. Indicators: mean area that is protected in marine size, important to biodiversity. Ocean health index, we are making good process, but we are bad, of course. Clean water score: fish caught from overexploited or collapsed stocks, fish caught by traveling or dragging, fish caught that are then discarded. Marine biodiversity threats embodied in imports. These is our indicators, and let's look about this thing, like Denmark. I want to look to Denmark, how it is bad, such a great country, such a you can say Denmark. The other part is, yeah, how it can be bad for Denmark, because as you know, it's a very clean country. I think for people, we know that it's clean and good country. Yeah, this description, this part, ocean health index, means that the clean water sub goal of the ocean health index measures to what degree marine waters under nation jurisdictions have been contaminated by chemicals, excessive nutrition, human pathogens, and trash. It's interesting to see Denmark like orange color, and Russia making very bad procession like Turkey. Unfortunately, let's look at what we can do about this goal. things to do. It says that find a charity and support like others, and reduce waste. Yes, reduce waste. Much of the waste that we produce on land ends up in the oceans, especially plastic bags. Usage on and wrong disposal of plastic is a major cause of marine pollution. Unfortunately, we see in the Bosphorus, Istanbul too. Every everywhere everywhere in the sea is some trash, and most of the trash is plastic, and especially plastic bags. It's very sad to see that, but many people don't know about this pollution and making more waste and making more pollution. Organize a cleanup projects for rivers and oceans. Engage your whole community to clean up a local river, seaside for an ocean. Stay informed with the Global Goals Twitter account. Never buy bottled water. Boil, filter, chlorine, rainwater. Do what you can. It's not much possible, but in the easy way you can buy glass bottled water and pardon me, glass water, and it says that bottled water and plastic, so it means plastic. Don't buy plastic and don't use plastic for our world. Run a campaign on the effects of plastic use on the seas and oceans. Buy local and certified fish. You can support small scale producers by shopping in local markets and shops. As mentioned on the other lessons, it means esnaf in Turkish people. Reduce marine pollution. By 2025, prevent and significantly reduce marine pollution of all kinds, in particular from land-based activities, including marine debris and nutrition pollution. Target 14.3. Reduce ocean acidification. Minimize and address the impacts of ocean acidification, including through enhanced scientific cooperation at all levels. I can't read all of these targets. We can look at just these parts. Increase the economic benefits from sustainable use of marine resources. Support small-scale fishers. Protect and restore ecosystems. Sustainable fishing. And subsidize contributing to overfishing. Increase scientific knowledge, research and technology for ocean health, and implement and enforce international sea law. It's very good. I want to read all of that. Enhance conservation and sustainable use of oceans and their resources by implementing international law as reflected in the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, which provides the legal framework for the conservation and sustainable use of oceans and their resources, as recalled in paragraph 158 of the feature we want. Yeah, let's talk about the other goal. We have 10 minutes, yes. Life on land. This goal is very important to please pay attention to this goal. This goal aims to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, forests, and biodiversity. It addresses deforestation, desertification, and degradation of ecosystems. Ecosystems is everything for our world, for climate change, for life, for humanity, and for everything, for economy, for everything. We must protect this, and we must increase the life on land and livability on land. So I hope that world is good on that, and of course not. The world is very bad on life on land goal. It's very shocking results for me. For the Europe is good, but the Asian part is very complete red, and African complete red, the South America is complete red, North America is complete red, Australia complete red, world is complete red, but indications that making this bad. Let's look at the Turkey. Indicators. Mean area that is protected in terrestrial sites important to biodiversity. Mean area that is protected in freshwater sites important to biodiversity. Red list index of species survival. permanent deforestation, important deforestation. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to do make it, but as you can see, we have sea countries which made it. So if even Namibia is can be do that, why Turkey, why USA, why United Kingdom, why Russia, why China, why Australia cannot do it, why Brazil cannot do it? It's very interesting to see this. Uh, Turkey, oh, Turkey is very bad. It's myths, and I think it's not a true data. Yeah, it can't possible to shows like this. It's always 2.3, and it's not real, I think. uh, United Kingdom makes good procession, United States bad, Canada, yeah, Brazil, Argentina, every country is same, Mozambique same, and this means that the data is not true, and the data is not updating, I think. And it's like 10 years and value is still same. It's not realistic for me. Let's talk about the what can we do to make it better. Yeah, things to do: find a good charity, find a charity to support. Don't shop for pets. Visit your local animal shelter and adopt an animal tree there. Many people buys cat, buys a dog, buys a turtle, buys fish, and it's saying that don't buy this, and if keep the money at you, and if you want to purchase for, and if you want to make money to pets, you need to donate it, and donate to shelters, and make your money more better to our world. Recycle, yes, of course recycle. Every part says recycle. Yani, and everything, every time we see is I'm talking about why is the recycling is very important for our world, and I am making it again. And recycling is very important, and wasting is very harmful. We cannot waste it. We cannot waste paper. We cannot waste glass. We cannot waste plastic. But in today's world, the countries did not listen this. What I say, unfortunately, and if we are learning about these things, in other years we are going to be better, be better, and be better. Clean your local parks and forests. Organize your own or join an existing cleanup event to sustain the ecosystem of your local green space. Volunteer with the street animal organizations or shelters. Help to sustain diversity and save lives of animal species by volunteering in organizations helping these pests as well as endangered species. Reduce your use of paper. Avoid printing and substitute it with electronic devices or carriers. Don't buy products tested on animals. Check the labels on the products you buy. Compost. Don't use pesticides to protect and sustain quality for the soil. Don't use chemical while growing plants, and follow the global goals Twitter account. We can speak 5 minutes to let's talk about the targets. We have very much 3, 6, 9, and 12. We have 12 targets. Yes, or two. Yes, we have 12 targets. And let's talk about the targets. Conserve and restore terrestrial and freshwater ecosystems, and the certification and restore degraded land, protect the biodiversity and natural habitats, eliminate poaching and trafficking of protected species. In the past, the people don't know that this target, and many people killing without killing this protected species without thinking. And as today's world many animal is facing with this problem, unfortunately. Integrate ecosystem and biodiversity in governmental planning, finance and incentivize sustainable forest management and deforestation and restore degraded forests, ensure conservation of mountain ecosystems, promote access to genetic resources and fair sharing of benefits, prevent invasive alien species on land and in water ecosystems, increase financial resources to conserve and sustainably use ecosystem and biodiversity, combat global poaching and trafficking, we can say. That's all I can say. Let's talk about this. Did we talk about indicators? I think yes, we talk about it. Imported deforestation. Oh, Turkey is very going bad, but the long-term objective is zero, so we are good at it. But it's going bad, and we are 12, and we are 12 5 years ago, but we are reducing it to 7 from 2 years ago. Description is deforestation abroad caused by goods important for final consumption locally. First, land use change driving carbon emissions were calculated by determining into which economic activities caused observed deforestation by using geospatial datasets on yearly deforestation. Crop and livestock distribution and main deforestation drivers, as well as carbon stocks. The results are then linked to the MREO tables in order to link the total deforestation to the final consumer of each commodity. It's very long description, and that's all I can say. Thank you for listening to me. In the other lessons, we are going to explain the 16th and 17th goals, and we are going to finish our lesson. Thank you for listening again. See you at the next lesson. Goodbye.